Wait, I can't squeeze these.
Actually, what do you?
I think you have to boil it.
You're not good at this.
We got our plantains looking scrumptious in the water. And you put it down.
Why looking at me? Look at her.
I have more than one viewer. I have more than one viewer. And then you take the I don't know what these are called. These. The mashers.
No.
You take your plantain, and you mash them up. See, it has a little circle. If you want some small plantain. What? Why am I saying? People say plantain.
Well, hey, but in Creole it's plantain.
I say plantain.
Plantain, yeah.
And you mash it. Wait, I can't. I think you have to boil it.
You're not good at this.
No.
I think you boil.
I think you do boil it.
Well, don't you boil it after you flatten it?
You fry it
Oh yeah, you boil it, then you
to make
then
it
you
soft.
flat it. And
That's why it's in water. Understood.
This is off to a great start. So you can cook.
Yes. So didn't you know? As you can see, our plantain is boiling.
You're supposed to cut it.
It's cut.
Okay.
It's cut. I think you have to boil it to make it soft. Okay, so we're gonna check our plantain to see if it's soft on the stove where it belongs. So you get yourself a spoon and you're gonna see. Oh, it's actually making noise. I think
You do it no, you don't put it. So you. Cause I was like, this because I've never seen my mom boil it. That's what's like. Wait, do we? I'm pretty sure she doesn't boil it.
so. How do you make it
So
soft?
you fry it, and after you fry it, that's the last thing you do is flatten it.
You're right.
Yeah. I was like, boiling doesn't sound familiar.
So scratch that. We're going to fry it.
It's okay.
We're gonna fry it first and then you boil it, okay?
No, you don't boil it. Oh. You don't boil it.
Oh my god.
Don't
Put me in the kitchen.
Oh my god, it's simple too. This should be done by now.
So we're gonna put the flame on medium. Understood? We put the flame on medium. We're gonna take our little plantains that are in the bowl, in the pot. Here's what they look like here.
Good job.
It's okay. My hands are clean. I didn't show you the process, but I did wash my hands before I started.
She did not.
I did! Before you came. I washed my hands. That's very important, people. Please, when you're cooking, you have to wash your hands. You can't not wash your hands. That's disgusting. Like, it's really nasty. You know how many times I see people go to the bathroom and they don't wash their hands? Everybody wash your hands. Now, as you can hear the pop pop like the Rice Krispies, they are frying. I sound so not smart.
You sound like you're not sure. You're just like, I'm pretty sure you do this. Yep.
Alright, so it's frying. Here, I'll do a close up so you can see what it looks like. This is the thing in the what is this thing called? Pot. Wait, don't look at the spoon. This is the thing in the pot, and it's frying.
How long do you cook it for, Ashley?
Until it's brown. No, wait, until it's just soft. But then when you flatten it.
Flatten it when it's golden brown, and then you eat it. Or you let it cool down.
No, you put it back on the fryer.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
Flattening it is the last thing you do.
That's not how we do it.
I don't know.
Google is wrong.
Wait, you flatten it and then you put it back?
Yeah.
I should know this.
Me too. This shows I don't cook.
No, it shows me clearly.
It also shows we don't cook. Now it is time to press the button. This is very simple. You want to make sure you don't get it too flat. I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. So you want to make sure you don't get it too flat, but it also can't be too thick. Just a nice, happy medium. And my grandma just told me that you should take them from the thing one at a time so that it doesn't get too cold. And then when it gets too cold, I actually don't know what happens, but we don't want to find out. I keep chopping these. My problem as a chef is that, like, I can't really be a chef because I'm always gonna eat the food. Whatever I'm cooking, like I took this little one just so I can start eating it. That's why cooking is not my thing. I'm too hungry to cook. This is hot. This is what it looks like frying. Now my grandma is doing something. I don't know. Stirring it. Stir the plantain. Stir the plantain. You see the way that she brings them over. And look at her. She's clean. She's wearing gloves. Yes.
Always use the glove because I don't want to dirty my hand.
Grandma, you have to say you use gloves because it's clean. Don't say because you don't want to dirty your hands.
Dirty my hand.
No. There goes our finished product. I'm gonna put it into a nice plate. Take some nice pictures. And we're gonna take this pan nice and round. This is what we're putting the plantain inside of. Okay. Now we go back to our plantain. And we're gonna dump it. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And the reason you put...
Don't put it well to keep warm.
Oh.
Put cover on it.
What do you mean? Cover it with an actual cover? Now we bring this back. And now we put the cover. Covered. It needs to stay warm, as she says. Okay. Now, we're gonna eat it. But it tastes very good. Yum. And let me show you what I do. When I eat plantain, you have to put hot sauce on it. Most people use this type of hot sauce, but I'm Haitian. So, you have this thing called pickles. It looks a little crazy, but this is what I call pickles. Pickles. It's a type of hot sauce, and you put like peppers. What's in it? It's peppers, cabbage, carrots, onions.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's very good. So me, I normally don't eat all the little...
And something, the secret ingredient is vinegar.
And the secret ingredient is vinegar. Pickles is very good. I'll show you how I do it. You take your plantain. Voila. You put it into a plate. I'm gonna take like two. Then you get a spoon. So you just scoop it up. Now I like the peppers and stuff. I used to not like eating those. But you just take it. That's a long one. Because I want to show you guys. This is what it looks like. It looks weird, but it tastes good. It's super good. And you put it right on top. Yep. And you mix it so that you get all the sauce. And then you eat it. It's spicy. Some people would think that it's like really, really spicy. I have like a pretty high tolerance for spicy stuff, so to me it's not like, oh, ow, burn, hot, spicy. It's just like some good flavor. It's really good. And if you want, you just put the liquid in, or you put the extra little things in there. But yeah, so now you eat. Thank you for learning.
Pretty pictures of this. We're like, right.
Okay, ready? Wait. I bought my ticket for
What happened? You were doing so well.
I bought my ticket for the long way around. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure like some sweet company. But I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm done. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
You messed up at that? No, that was good.
Okay.
No, you Good.
Okay. Now we'll stop it.